welcome to my channel. I'm Joy Fay, and today I'm going to show you this wonderful, free, easy way of painting abstract flowers. And you can see I'm having some fun here. I've got a really big piece of paper and I'm just putting down some marks and enjoying using different kinds of brushes and really having some freedom in just playing. And this is the wonderful thing about doing this kind of painting, that you can start in this wonderful free way and enjoy the whole process, because slowly but surely it starts to come together, as you'll see. And it's a wonderful way to begin and really enjoy the process. So I've put down a little bit more color here, and again, just continuing to enjoy the colors, seeing where they might go, using different kind of brushes and brush strokes, and covering up some of the stuff that's underneath. And again, this is a wonderful way of moving a painting forward, particularly with flowers, because they're so fresh and lovely. And that's the kind of feeling that I want you to get, is that wonderful loveliness of flowers and how you feel about them. The shapes and the smell and everything that's beautiful about flowers, and all the lovely colors. So you can see here I'm adding lots of different colors. I'm harmonizing the colors, so none of them are too outrageous at this stage. And I'm beginning to make some shapes for where the flowers will go. And I've got a feel of how I'd like it to be, but I'm still kind of going with the flow and just allowing that feeling to continue. And this is the thing that you can really play with yourself when you're practicing this, is to keep it nice and loose and keep it fresh, which is what the flowers are all about. Maybe you can have a look at some flowers that you've got at home, or have a look at some pictures and see where you might like the shapes to be, and the colors to be. And as you'll see as this progresses, that starts to happen. And now I'm putting in some colored leaves and where the stalks might go, and developing it. It goes from being sort of a really good play to starting to give it a little bit of structure, and feeling where the flowers might go. Now I'm adding some white here. We want to be conscious of our contrasts. So we're looking at some contrast, some color values, what's dark, what's light. And this is a very important point when you're coming to painting. I'm putting in the vase here. I paint it in white first to go over the color underneath, and then I can fill in the color later. And you can see I'm adding some details of some greenery behind, which is giving a really good contrast to the colors. Putting in some leaves, again dark, so creating that difference in color values. And adding the centers to the flowers, again it gives it a lot of contrast and interest, and also focal points, which is again important, that you want to kind of go around the painting and look at it properly. So changing a little bit of the background here, putting again some more lights on for highlights of the flowers, so you can see it's built up the layers over this whole process, bearing in mind that this took me probably a couple of days, and obviously it speeded up. Now, if you're interested in learning more about painting abstract flowers, I have a wonderful course, which I'll put the details in below, that you can go and check out, which would takes you through the whole process of painting abstract flowers. And if you're just starting out on your painting journey, I have a free mini course, abstract painting mini course, to give you a great foundation to, painting abstracts. So again, that will be in the information in the description below. And it's a great little course of some interesting lessons. And then you can go one step further and do the abstract flower course, which would be fantastic. So you can see now that it's coming together. I'm just kind of layering the background, and so it's got some depth. Again, putting some more white on so I can cover that in some other color, but still leaving a little bit of the color from underneath. So it's got some really nice texture. So you can see how it's turned out, and I hope you've enjoyed watching this and you'll have fun doing it yourself at home. So thanks so much for watching. Do give me the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye for now.